10,000.
Okay.
21.
Hi. So we have done these type of questions before. So
Yes,
today we will discuss these type of questions again. Properties of addition. So which number is this? Daksh, read out the number.
Ma'am, 4,634.
What you are going to add in 4,634 so that it will become 4,634.
Ma'am, I think 0.
You think or you are sure for your answer?
I'm sure.
Yes. Any number, like if you will add 0 in any number, the answer will be number itself. Am I
Yes.
clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now read
Ma'am.
out this number, Vidhi.
Ma'am, 21,346.
You are going to add, when you are going to add 1 in the any of the number, what you will get here?
Ma'am, 21,347.
Yes. What you will say, if you will add 1 in any number, you will get number after or the successor of the number. Am I clear? जब भी आप किसी
Yes, ma'am.
नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हो, so you will get the successor of that number. Now question number 3. Read out the question number 3. Harsh, Daksh, sorry.
53,476 plus 0.
Daksh. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 53,476.
53,476 itself. When you will add 0 in any number, you will get the number itself. Am I clear?
Itself.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Daksh, you have joined from Harsh's ID. It is written Harsh here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read out the next number, Vidhi.
Ma'am, 34,567.
What you are going to add out in this number, add on in this number, so that you will get the answer 34,568. Yes.
Ma'am, we'll add 1.
We will add 1. Daksh, is she right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read out the fifth one, Daksh.
14,356 plus
It's 57.
57 plus 19,235
Hmm.
is equal to 19,235 plus
So this is what? This is one number, this is one number. So this is left side because it is on your left hand side and this is your right hand side. This is change in property, order property. I told you na, when you will do 3 plus 4, then also answer will be same. When you will do 4 plus 3, then also your answer will be same. This is an
Same.
order property. So what will be the answer here?
Ma'am, 14,357.
The same answer will come here. Okay, because it is just change in order. Either you add 3 plus 1 or either you add 4 plus 3. The answer will be same, है ना? आप चाहे 3 plus
Yes,
4
ma'am.
plus करो या 4 plus 3 plus करो, आपका आंसर सेम आएगा. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me about the sixth one. ये grouping property है. Which property is this? Grouping property.
Grouping.
So this is one number 82,547. This is another number 35,458 and this is 10,000. So now they are doing regrouping. This is 82,547 and this is 10,000. What we are going to add in this place so that this will become equal to left hand side. मतलब कि यहाँ पर ये number है, ये दिया हुआ है, ये है, this is also given 10 दिया है, 10 दिया है. This is okay. Now the groups are changed. Only the thing is groups are changed. Like I have done it before. 3 plus 4 को मैंने एक ग्रुप में लिखा and then I have added 5. और अगर मैं अब 3 को अकेला छोड़ती हूँ and मैं 4 plus 5 का ग्रुप बनाती हूँ, then also the answer will be same or different?
Ma'am, same.
Same.
Ma'am,
3,
same.
3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is what? 12, I guess. So 3
Yes, ma'am.
plus 5 plus 4 is 9 and 3 plus 9 is what? 12. So answer
Yes, ma'am.
will be same. So what will come in this place? They have changed the they are regrouping the order. What will be the answer? What will be the answer for this place, Vidhi?
Ma'am, 35,458.
See carefully. Okay, 35,000, yes.
458.
Yes, 35,458 will come here. Maybe मैंने इसको शायद 32,000 गलती से बोल दिया है. Check कर लेंगे हम. Like it is 35,458. Yes. Daksh, is she right?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is for you, Daksh. Tell me fastly. जल्दी से बताओ.
11,000.
No, it's not 11,000. Read
Two.
क्या?
Sorry, ma'am. 112,000.
Beta, you are reading it according to international system, but all the questions we have done according to Indian system. So tell me according to that only. Why you are changing your number system in between? आप नंबर सिस्टम
Okay,
क्यों
ma'am.
चेंज कर रहे हो बीच में? जब सब इंडियन पैटर्न से किया, इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम से, तो उसी से बताइए.
Okay, ma'am. 1,12,000 plus 1,35,000. Ma'am, I cannot understand this.
Beta, 1,12,000 is okay. Now see, this is what? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1,35,400. This is 2,34,567. What will come in this place?
Ma'am, 2,34,537.
Very good. Do you understand the same thing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start something else.